Up guys, MSTR is flying already. As I said in my previous video, keep buying MSTR, keep buying MSTR, and here we are. We have a nice breakout. You see the lower low, and then we're gonna have a W structure right over here, and our first target is going back to 200. Okay, we will see small resistance right over here around close to 180, and then like we see little bit of consolidation, make support in this 176 area, and then we're gonna another high, gonna sit here, and then we're gonna another high. So this is what being predicting here. But in case if you just wanted to watch, what I can suggest is still we have because whenever the stocks move in this way, then there are a lot of gaps always left behind, which stocks comes later to fill them up. So better entry, if you still want to wait it, I would suggest to wait it again, stock to come back to this area, which is again 160, right? MSTR has a history, it goes move up and down so fast. So this is all I can suggest, guys. Still, if you want to open a position, the best position is open from this particular area, which is 172, right? And you will buy it on a retracement. So let it done a small retracement, and then we can see another high. So this is what the structure is forming right now. This is on 4 hour. However, on 15 minutes we can try to see we have a good support sitting right at 173. So what all I can suggest is, if you wanted to buy, just wait for this area for the retracement. Okay, and if you are entering right over here in this area 172, then your stop loss should be this. All right, otherwise wait for this area to come back, because this entire gap has to fill again. So that's all I can suggest, guys. Follow more for my page, all right, and look for the updates. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We're gonna hit 185 in 2 more days. Thank you.